if we're allowed to ride them or not because it's COVID and everything. So, are we gonna go see horses? Yeah! We're gonna go see horses! Yeah! Right now, we're gonna put on the navigation and everything, and we're gonna see you guys over there. Bye bye! Oh, look, horses! They're walking horses in front of the building. Oh my gosh! They are absolutely adorable. Oh my god! You're stepping on sand? You want to walk on grass so that you don't step on sand? Look, horse! Oh my gosh! Can I go see the horse? I'm gonna go say hi really quickly. Hi, baby. Let's go on that side. Let's see his face on that side. Hi, baby. You're adorable. Aww. I saw his eyes. There's more in there. Oh my gosh. It smells bad, but like it's all worth it. He's so tall! Look, there's another one. And then another one. Look at that, so cute! Let's go over there. Let's go over there. Oh my gosh. After, are you excited to see some more horses? Yeah. You're excited? Super excited or very excited? Really? I am. Oh my god, there's more horses in that barn. The horses are just too cute. I can't resist. Oh my god, look at the horses. They just took them out. They're so tall. Guys. Oh my god. What? Yeah, I saw it. Afnan showed me. There's a parrot. And so they do classes here. So my dad said we are going to do classes in the summer. We're going to do classes here. So yeah. Another little parrot. It's not little, it's pretty big. Hi, Mr. Parrot. I'm sure he's very cute. Birdseed? We're gonna do horse riding classes. Close to this horse. This is my point of view. Hi! You're cute. You're super cute. I like you. We've got my summer camp horse riding schedule. And then my dad's gonna send the prisoner text. And we're gonna be good to go. Bye. After that, I'm gonna go horse riding classes. Let's go. Where's the horse? Go scratch her, go. You don't want to go? No, that is scared. A sheep. Oh, he's free, he's free. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. Run, run, run. Okay, okay, bye, bye. We just saw a whole bunch of horses. So we learned that they don't literally let us, they don't let riding, but they do classes. So my dad got me an application. We're gonna fill it out, we're gonna send her a text. And we are gonna do class, right up night? Are you excited for horse riding class? Okay, me too! I even got a summer camp option if I want to do summer class or not. So like yeah. So anyways, we'll see you guys at home. My hair is looking crazy after seeing all those horses. But the horses were just too cute. Oh my gosh! What you doing? Playing xylophone? You want to try this one? Look, look, also look.
Mama, come.